common pricing mistakes and how to avoid them. We've covered a lot of ground, but before we wrap up, let's talk about some of the most common pricing mistakes that new Turo hosts make. By avoiding these pitfalls, you'll be well on your way to success. Mistake number 1, same pricing year-round. This is the biggest and most common mistake. As we've seen, Las Vegas is a highly seasonal market. If you're not adjusting your prices throughout the year, you're leaving a ton of money on the table. The solution? Use this guide to create a seasonal pricing calendar for your car. Mistake number 2, overpricing during low seasons. It can be tempting to keep your prices high, even when demand is low. But the reality is, an overpriced car is an unbooked car. It's better to get a booking at a discounted rate than no booking at all. The solution? Embrace strategic discounting during the slow months. Mistake number 3, not preparing for events. Major events are a golden opportunity to maximize your income. If you're not blocking off your calendar and setting premium pricing for events like CES and New Year's Eve, you're missing out. The solution? Get your calendar in order and plan ahead. Mistake number 4, ignoring discounts. Remember that 99% of vehicles on Turo in Las Vegas use discounts. If you're not offering discounts, you're not competitive. The solution? Use strategic discounts to attract renters and keep your booking rate high. Mistake number 5, set and forget pricing. The Turo market is constantly changing. What works one week might not work the next. You need to be actively monitoring your competition and adjusting your pricing as needed. The solution? Check your competitors' pricing at least once a week and be prepared to make adjustments. The bottom line: pricing your car on Turo can seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. By understanding the seasonal patterns of the Las Vegas market and following the simple strategies in this guide, you can price your car with confidence and maximize your earnings. Remember, it's all about being strategic, proactive, and willing to adapt. Now, go out there and start making some money. Follow us on X, Bluesky, and YouTube at Take the Wheel XYZ. Join the community and subscribe to the Take the Wheel newsletter for weekly data-driven Turo hosting strategies. TakeTheWheel.xyz.